Use of simulators is a way of making training safe.
Introducing vibration training rigs. The portable PT300 Mini bearing fault and the PT400 Mini bearing and gear fault simulators.
I've had a chance to become familiar with a PT300, which is a simulator rig for industrial machines and their faults, typical faults being imbalance, looseness, misalignment, bad bearings and similar. These give very repeatable readings, fabulous for learning in a safe environment.
Airbus Instruments Phantom. Triaxial, battery-powered, Bluetooth-enabled, compact sensors delivering real-time vibration data wirelessly. The all-new Defiant for frontline protection, a continuous monitoring system built for industrial resilience. All powered by WiserVibe and DigiVibe, smart, intuitive software for diagnostics, trending, and deep analysis.
The PT400 builds on the PT300 by adding a gearbox, which allows you to simulate all gearbox faults.
The portable PT300 Mini bearing fault and the PT400 Mini bearing and gear fault simulators. Presented by CBM Partners, featuring Airbus Instruments vibration monitoring systems in 3 packages. Valenian Vibe, a complete wireless solution featuring the full Phantom system. Valenian Monitor, out-of-the-box protection and analytics with the Defiant. Valenian Ultimate, the unbeatable combo, Phantom and Defiant working together. Unlock smarter condition monitoring. Talk to CBM Partners today.